Hi everyone. Today's tutorial is about how to create a new project in Saola Animate. You can start a project on the welcome screen or when you're working with another project. Click the New button or click New on the toolbar. Or, press Ctrl N. Any of the ways works and opens the New Project dialog. Define the name and location if needed. Set the size of the container in which the document is embedded or select a preset size. Take note of two things. First, you can change the container size later, when you're working with the project. Second, the container size matters only when you're starting a non-responsive project. If you want to create a responsive project, select the Responsive Layout checkbox. After that, the Breakpoints button will be enabled. Click this button to add and manage breakpoints before creating a responsive project. Note that you can change a normal project to a responsive one and adjust breakpoints later when editing the project. Regarding blank scene, it defines the number of scenes you want to initially create. But you can leave it as the default because you can always insert or delete scenes in the editor. Click OK to create a new project. You can see the container size above the canvas, and the scene size in pixels. As mentioned before, even when you've created a non-responsive project, you can always make it responsive. Set the scene size to percentages. Set the viewport width to the device width. And also the viewport height if you want. Then, click the responsive button here and add as many breakpoints as you want. So now you've done creating a new project. As you go ahead, you will have to save your project. Press Ctrl S, or click Save on the toolbar. You can also save your project as a file with a different Namito, make a backup, or just to save the project to a new location. Otherwise, you can save it as a package for faster and easier sharing. The last thing this video covers is how to open a project. To open a project, press Ctrl O and browse the project. Or, click Open Project on the toolbar. You can also click File on the menu bar to select Open Project, or select a recent project. On the Welcome screen, open a recent project from the list. Or, click the Open Project button. So, you've learned how to create, save, and open projects in Saola Animate.